I want to spend the rest of my life eating hamburgers with you. Will you marry me? Oh, you like pizza better, right? Don't worry, I like pizza better than burgers, man. She said yes! I never wanted a wife because I thought they were all nagging and bossy, you know? Then I realized girlfriends are too. So, you know, will you marry me? I have $2 billion. When you propose me, you are man, I'm a girl now. You make a girl propose her. Why the only Batman and me? Where's my slave? Is your name Google? Because you have everything I'm searching for. Sorry, please make miso soup for me. Make by myself? Okay, I will make miso soup every day for you. Will you marry me? Sorry.